Residents in Broussard are ripping out drywall, tearing up floors, and dumping piles of debris. And as families begin to rebuild their homes, many are wondering what to do with all the trash. According to Mayor Charles Laing, most Broussard residents were lucky.
We actually only have 14 properties right now that are on the list for pickup. And of course, we think there's probably 120 to 150 that were impacted.
But for the ones whose homes were flooded,
we're getting all the furniture out and we're moving that into my parents' garage.
The past few days have been a blur of emotions.
Yeah, it really didn't hit. We kind of went into problem-solving mode the first couple hours and the first couple of days. And then once we came in 2 days ago to start ripping up the floor, it kind of hit then. I'm still processing.
Elizabeth Leonard, her husband, and 4-year-old daughter have lived in this house for 4 years.
It's not bad. I mean, we have a place to go and we're fortunate, but it's just, this was our first house as a family. Whew.
Leonard says she felt helpless as she watched water sit in her home for 2 days.
I mean, it's like we've never really had any real issue or gone through any trauma. I guess you can call it a trauma. So, it was a shock.
The Leonard's house, like many others, is now filled with baseboards and insulation. Mayor Laing says the city will be pitching in to help with the cleanup.
So we'll be starting to pick up probably tomorrow, maybe Thursday.
The Leonards are moving out all of their belongings.
And then we're going to start repairing the sheetrock and pulling the wet insulation and things like that.
Leaving behind piles of memories.
It's upsetting. It's heartbreaking. I mean, I never thought that we would be displaced before. It's devastating. I mean.
Reporting in Broussard, Laing, KLFY News 10.